So you want to start a YouTube channel to start earning money, but you don't know where to start. If you are interested in learning how to start your own YouTube channel to earn you some extra cash, then you have found the correct place. Stay tuned. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am Amber Sharniece. I am a YouTube personality here on Amber Sharniece and Amber Sharniece TV. You guys, I've been on YouTube for about 6 or 7 years now, and I have learned so much stuff, okay? It'll be super selfish of me not to even tell y'all the little bitty teensy weeny bit I know about creating YouTube content. So enough about me. Let's go ahead and hop into this video. So honey, let's talk about it, okay? Everybody wants to be a YouTuber. Everybody wants to be a content creator. They see these lavish lifestyles. They see this not having to go to a 9 to 5. And they're like, yes, that's it. That's right. I'm creating a channel. I'm going to be a YouTuber. We're going to start earning this money. But you have no clue what it really takes to be a content creator. Yes, we make this lifestyle look nice and lavish and wonderful, which it is. It can be for some creators, but there's a lot that goes into it. But the best part about that journey is a lot of that you are going to learn on the way or on your path as a YouTuber. So don't try to jump into the game thinking you're going to know every single thing, because I'm here to tell you, you're not, okay? I've been here on YouTube for the longest amount of time, and honey, I do not know everything, okay? We're still learning, but as we're learning and as we're growing, I'm gonna be here to help you all evolve into the YouTube sensation you want to be. The first thing I want to put into your mind is, if you can believe that you can be this YouTuber or this content creator that's earning out the wazoo, that's living the life, not going to a 9 to 5, living out your dreams and your passions, honey, if you can believe that, you can most definitely achieve that. As a content creator, there's so many ways on YouTube that you can earn money. You have the YouTube ads revenue, you have affiliate marketing, and you also have things like brand deals and sponsorships, okay? So for those of you who do not know, I'm going to break it down for you a little bit. So with the YouTube ad revenue, that's basically where you see the ads on people's videos. That's how they get paid. That's one source. Another source is things like affiliate marketing. So when you see people do like those Amazon must-have videos or a brand that they're promoting and they have their own links to, this could mean that that particular creator is working with this company to be paid commission based upon the amount of sales and the amount of clicks that they get to those particular links. I also do have an Amazon account, and I also posted an Amazon favorites video on my vlog channel. That video for me got around 30-something thousand views, and I had a lot of activity go back over to my Amazon store. For those people that did make purchases, helped me earn an extra $500 just last month. I do know that there are YouTube channels created just for Amazon marketing or affiliate marketing, and they're earning money off of each and every video that they make. So not only they're earning money off of their ad revenue here on YouTube, they're also earning money for the commissions that they get from Amazon. So just imagine that, right? And then one more way I want to discuss, which is definitely not the last way. There's plenty of ways that you can make money on YouTube, but another way that you can make money on YouTube is by brand deals and partnership or sponsorships. So you guys, this is basically where a brand reaches out to you, or you reach out to a brand to come up with a contract to promote one of their items. They decide they're going to pay you a certain dollar amount as long as you can deliver the content to your followers or whatever the case may be. And they say, well, hey, let me offer you $500 to talk about this particular product. You can earn money off of promoting that product on your channel, as well as earn YouTube ad revenue. Why would you not want to start a YouTube channel? Come on. Although I did give you guys 3 different ways that you can earn money, we're going to talk about the very first one, which is the ad revenue. So the very first thing that you need to do, of course, is actually create a YouTube channel. So if you have not already, what you want to do is you want to go ahead, sign up for your channel and get it created. So once you sign up for that channel, the first thing that you want to do is determine what your channel is going to be about. So when you're first starting out, of course, you want to come in and you want to talk about this one particular thing that just gets you going, okay? Once you determine what exactly you want your channel to be about, that's when you need to determine exactly what your name should be. And then you want to start filming content. Film. You want to create a bunch of content, you guys. Don't just create 1 or 2 videos and say, okay, it's time. Before you even start uploading anything to YouTube, you need to have at least 15 to 20 videos. You want to start uploading them so that you'll have something to post to your channel at least 2 to 3 times a week. This is going to help with your watch hours. Now that you've gotten your YouTube channel set up with those steps, then let's go ahead and move on over to getting paid here with the YouTube ad revenue. To start earning money here on YouTube with ad revenue, you must become a YouTube partner, okay? So in order to do that, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on shorts, or 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your video. Once these obligations are met, you are then sent the invitation to go ahead to apply for the YouTube partnership, and then you will get an email back within, I guess, like a certain amount of time, and then boom, you are monetized. Okay, so at this point I've pretty much given you the basic requirements that you are going to need in order to start your YouTube channel and to start your monetization process. If you are looking for ways to figure out how to get to that monetization super quick and how to grow and get those views, definitely check out my last video. I have left some amazing tips in that video in order to get you to grow on YouTube, as well as I do offer a YouTube course that you can enroll into. It is super affordable. It's only $34.99, and if you are watching this video, you can use the code GROW to get $5 off of that particular course. You guys, it is jammed packed with information, plenty of exclusive information not shared here on my channel, but it has plenty of information in there that's going to help you grow your channel to the next level. Okay, so I will leave the link for that down in the description box. I also have a YouTube content planner, as well as a monthly film schedule that I will attach below in the description box below as well, and they are 100% free that you can download to get you started on organizing your YouTube content. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed all the information that I shared here on the channel, make sure you tune in, you guys, to the channel. Each week I will upload a new video to give you some insight on what you could be doing to grow your channel or to become a successful content creator in today's climate. So I'll be here to assist you with all those things. If you want to get to know me a little bit more, okay, I do have a vlog channel, which is Amber Sharniece TV. I will leave that linked in the description box below, as well as follow me on Instagram, okay, at Amber Sharniece, and on TikTok at Amber Sharniece. So I think I've given you guys all that you need to know. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your community of friends that are looking to start their own channel. They won't know unless you tell them. So go ahead, share this video over to them, send it in the group chat, okay? Don't be scared, don't be ashamed that you get the information from the internet, because I'm here to give it to you. So definitely go ahead and make sure that you share this video. Give me a thumbs up as well. Also, make sure that you leave me a comment down in the comment section below and let me know if this video helped you. Let me know what questions that you guys want to have answered about YouTube, about the process, about editing, about equipment, about anything that you're wanting to learn about here on YouTube. Leave those comments down in the comment section below. I'll be sure to address them. If not in the comment section, it'll be on the next video. Again, thank y'all so much for tuning in.